Hello everyone, I'm really glad to be back and start working on YouTube again. Sorry that I was missing for so long time, but right now I'm married again, so that was the reason of my absence. But from today, we're gonna start working as usual, and in today's video, we're gonna take a look on how to deploy Node plus Angular to the internet. And the main reason why I'm doing this, it's because some of you asked me in comments to share how to deploy it. So basically in today's video, we're gonna take care of it. Also, one announcement that I'm doing streams on Twitch, and it would be really nice if you could follow me there. Also, I will put the link in the description, and uh, I will try to do streams at least 3 times per week. So please take a look and follow me on Twitch, and definitely put subscribe, like on YouTube. So let's go. So in the previous video, we developed some chat application, and I'm gonna show the deployment process as simple and the fastest way to deploy it. And in the future, I'm also gonna do a video how to use Docker with this Node and Angular, but I'm not so familiar with Docker, so I will need to spend some time to prepare a guideline for you. But at least I will gonna try. So first of all, we're gonna do here git clone to get the application. Then let's open it in Visual Studio Code. I hope you're gonna clearly see the command line. Yeah, should be fine. Then we need change a bit our server side that we develop. So one main change is that we need to be able to set up here not 3000 port, but the port on which our server side will be deployed. For this, we need to use a Node.js process property in which we have an variable, and here we need to define port, or if it's locally, then we're just gonna show 3000. And also in console log, we're gonna do the next thing, just to be sure on which port we're running the app. And here we're gonna put curly brackets and show the port. That's the first one thing. And also I would like to change here to start. Maybe even I will adjust this and add here start and use only Node because we're gonna deploy it to Heroku. So that's the reason why we doing these changes. I'm not really sure that Heroku support Nodemon, but Nodemon we actually use to listen our files during the development process and automatically restart server. So it's not needed on website where we're gonna deploy it. Also for, as I told, for deployment, we're gonna use Heroku. It's a cloud application platform which we could use to deploy a different kind of applications. One of them is Node.js. Also, it's could be Python and whatever you want. So here you simply need to create a new account for you if you do not have it. It's a just simple registration. Heroku is free if you have not more than 5 applications at the same moment. But also you could kind of just try and then remove the app. Also here we have a verification code. It's if you want to have two-way factor authentication. For this you need to use Authenticator. It's an app, but during the login you could see this, so it's not difficult to walk through this. So right now we log in. We gonna use also Heroku CLI. For this you need to get started. And here we go select Node.js. I'm ready to start, and here you will see a few variants to download a CLI. For Windows, it would be simple exe file which you download and then install. Once you're gonna do this in the terminal, but you need to close and open it again, you will be able to use Heroku command, and it's mainly what we need. So it's a CLI which we're gonna use. So after an installing, we need to do Heroku login here, and we need to press any key to open a session. Because I am authorized, I'm just click login here, and that's it. So as you can see, login in done, as email my mail. So we are good to go. Then we're gonna do, there are actually a few ways to create an app on Heroku. I like more doing it in the console, but also it could be done on your dashboard. So new, create new app, and here the name of it, and so on. So let's try to do it here. Test app 1, 2, 3. Not available. Competent programming. Programming like this. Create app. Once it's created, we have kind of a pretty good instruction how to go through with it. So we in this folder and app is created. So we're gonna do here git, but we already have a git. So it's existing git repo, so we need this command. So it's updated to this. Then we're gonna do here the next thing. We're gonna create here git ignore file dot git ignore to avoid pushing not needed things, not modules, and also just to be sure that in client folder we also not push this. Then we, for the web server especially, we need to have a special type of Heroku. It's a proc file, and here we need to specify what command, once we deploy, what command is gonna be running on Heroku, and we need web server. So for this we choose web. There are several options you could find out if you need it, but it's not important right now. And then we just specifying what command we should do, and it's not server.js. So we need to, once we deploy, we need to run this command and our server will start working. So that's one thing. Then we're gonna do git add all git commit -m update server git push. It's to push to our git repo, and then we need git push Heroku master. It's to push to do push to Heroku, because it's kind of on Heroku there another git. We can probably method, no, we cannot go there, but actually it is there. And once we do pushing, our app is deployed to Heroku. Blah blah blah, master, okay. And we probably can go here. And it's hello world, as the same thing that we have in our server. So as you can see, get by default we have hello world. So that basically means that our app up and running. To deploy our Angular part, we're gonna use Vercel. It's the easiest way for me to deal with it. But yeah, if you know some other ways and easy and fast to do deployment, please put this into comments, and I'm definitely gonna take a look what it's about. So the next thing that we need to adjust is our client, and I need to do npm install, because yeah, I just grab it from Git and then no node modules, and we need to do few things. So let's wait 1 month. We right now have a link to our node server, and in chat components we have a connection, socket connection, in which we need to specify the URL to our node server. So basically for this, we're gonna grab this thing and just put it here. That's it. Then we need to do npm run build prod. So basically it's on Angular side we have folder with environments, and here production false that we don't need, but for production we have this thing and we need to build it to have, yeah, I would like to share, why not. And npm run build gonna do a dist folder for our Angular application, which we're gonna do a deployment to Vercel. So let's switch to Vercel. We're gonna do new project. Gonna need chat app, team. We do not need project name, root directory. We don't have for now dist folder here. Can go right now. Let's wait once build will be finished. Yeah, build is here. So then we're gonna do git status, and it should be dist folder only. Yeah, git add git commit -m, and here we're gonna specify what is it, Angular build it project, and then git push. We do not need to push to Heroku this because it's not related to it, but in general we could do this. doesn't matter. And here we're gonna do the next thing. Team name skip. Let's go from the beginning just to be on one page. So new project, it's chat app on my Git. I hope you all are aware regarding Vercel. It's also pretty easy to use. But if you will have some question, just ping me Angular, edit, client, dist, client, continue, no environments, deploy. So yeah, pretty useful thing. And by the way, if you will have any questions, follow me on Twitch and I will do a schedule there. Huh. There are few things why I had this error, because actually for it's strange, but I need to double check this. But once I created new project, I chose here chat, skip team, but first time I select here Angular, and after deployment in Angular application, I got 4.4. But once I deployed the application as other, everything started working. So not sure why this one happened, but I need to just to check. But I believe if we choose some particular framework here, then it's gonna do some build, or I don't know, something to do with it. So yeah, I will double check and leave a comment on the description. But to deploy, we deployed the dist folder, so we need to choose here other, and then everything gonna be okay. So let's go to dashboard, visit, competent programming on Vercel, and let's also open another one. So user one, set username. This is gonna be user two. So user one is here. Hello, user one. Hello, user two. So as far as I can see, it takes us only around 15 minutes, 20 maybe, to deal with it, but it's pretty simple and pretty fast to do. Also, I will update a README file and leave some deployment notes there. Maybe they will be more clear for you to walk through. And that's it. We did a deployment our Angular plus Node.js application to the internet. We deployed Node.js part to Heroku and Angular part to Vercel. It was easy, and in general, if you do this few times, you in future you just do it really fast. And maybe for some of you who a bit more aware regarding Docker pipelines and so on, it's not useful, but for me it was interesting to do this. And in future I'm gonna try to do another video how to use Docker and deploy it, for example, to Azure or Amazon cloud. We'll see. But really in future I would like to check how is it working with Docker. And I already read few things regarding this, so we'll see. So just a reminder, we have Twitch streams right now. I'm gonna try to on daily basis to update schedule. If I will know for sure that I will have time at this day, I will put this into schedule so you could take a look if it's gonna be some streams or no. And on Twitch, we basically developing the new stuff on which I'm gonna do a video for YouTube. So, and also on Twitch, you could ask any questions. If I know how to help you, I will do. So, and it's actually live talking. So I really would like you to see me on Twitch and talk and discuss some interesting topics. So I will keep a Twitch link below in description. And thanks. I am really glad to start doing this again. So do not forget to subscribe because like over 90% is not subscribed viewers. I understand that I'm not so attractive for subscription, but I would be really happy. Don't forget to leave a comment, press the like button, and see you next time. On the next week, I share another video. And see you and have a good day. Bye bye.